Smile, tick. Smile, tick, 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 tick. Ano ni? Ano?
Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Good morning. Good morning. It's almost 1 o'clock. It's almost 12 o'clock. Good morning, afternoon almost. But I'm going to have lunch is sardines lang. Nilagyan ko siya ng sukang pinakurat at saka yung Maggi Sabor. As in, sobrang sarap siya. Ano siya, 5 sardines yung hot and spicy. Hot spicy. At saka fried sardines. Yun, sobrang sarap. Tinikman ko kanina. Ay, ako, I have to buy more of this. You guys, if you have Asian store in your area, so good. Hi guys, good morning. This marijuana thing is everywhere now. Even the dog have a medicine. Marijuana medicine for the dog, which is bad and not bad at the same time, because your dog will be like so much energy, and I hope they won't feel. We don't know what they feel, but that's the only problem. We can't talk to the animals. Giving them marijuana, I don't know what's gonna be the result of their brain, you know. So anyway, Tammy made me a pancake, no, omelette and bagel, and I can't finish it. Look, I don't even finish it. I'm just gonna put this in Ziploc bag and eat it tomorrow again.
Hello, cutie bug.
A hungry cat. That's his face. The hungry cat. There's treats in front of you. Eat it.
Because you got this box, I can't open it.
Every time you open your mouth, he listens. House, are you planning to jump on Daddy's back? Are you? Of course. Yeah, guys, good morning. I said it already. We're heading to Hulog here, and what else? We're heading also to pick up some gas. Do you have the thing, Han? You okay? We're gonna pick up some gasoline. Gasoline, right?
Yeah.
Gasoline for snowblower, because I think you still have a lot in there, Han. The last time
Use it.
Han, don't give them a lot because there's food in there. Yeah, you give him a handful, Han. My God. I don't know why. Not a handful, Han. Follow Daddy, Habs. So we're gonna pick up the gasoline because it says 12 inches. That means 2 feet. 2 feet, Han? What's wrong with him? What he does? Huh?
He said, I haven't bought a chair, maybe I pissed him off, maybe that's not what he wanted. I gave him the wrong thing.
Hi guys, I am back, and you know what happened right now is the dog and the man right here. It is crazy. They have a little kind of turkey. Is that
Turkey is ham.
It's a ham. It's a ham with a cat ham. Tommy said, hey, we need to stop giving the animals extra.
I didn't say that.
You did say that. We have to stop spoiling them. Stop carrying them to their food. Stop giving them table food. Never happened. Never happened. He just kept doing it. He just kept doing it. If Dimples doesn't want to go up, you know what he's going to do? Carry Dimples.
What? You don't want the ham? Okay.
So somebody say comment, maybe the dog is hungry, that's why they keep begging you. No, they are not hungry. They're just a bigger.
Too much.
Yeah, somebody comment like maybe they're just hungry. No guys, they're not gonna hungry because there are tons of food. They're like staring at us. Before we put it into our mouth, we have to give it to the dog first. And that's what happened here. Oh, they let her out. Oh, they get shot. Oh my God.
No, they stayed.
Holy cow, she got shot. We're watching SVU. SVU, Han, what?
Yeah.
What's the main title? Law and Order. Yeah. Law and Order SVU, unit victims.
Special victims unit.
Special victims unit. And then
Look.
she looks familiar.
No, him. He's a cop.
Ah!
They staged it because she hired him.
I know he's a cop. I see. So she doesn't know that he's a cop. Mystica. I don't want to talk to you. You're shaky all the time. Do you want me to buy you a boat? Do you want something? Roxy, do you want a boat? Snow boats? Huh? Do you want something? These two are crazy. Misty is loving. Roxy is not. I love her. You're flying everywhere. I can hear. I can hear you flying. What's wrong with you? Do you have kigwa in your butt? Ay, kigwahon ka. Ay, do you have kigwa tickles your butt? Butt? Huh? Do you have a kigwa? Do you have a kigwa? Kigwahon, kigwahon, hon, kigwahon, hon, kigwahon. Habs, listen to me, kigwa. You are a good puppy, right? What do you want? Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? What do you want? Do you want something? Roxy, I am planning also to make the budbud suman yung this is the suman that is like a banana leaf, and the thing is I'm not using a sticky rice. I'm going to use cassava and then coconut milk, sugar, and then banana leaves. That's what I'm gonna do. And this is a different thing, guys. I learned this from my grandma, like my grandma, not my real grandma. It's like the sister-in-law of my grandma.
Did you take it back in?
I did put it in the refrigerator because you forget to put it in the refrigerator.
Cheese and the mustard.
You should put it in there. So my goodness. Okay, guys, I have to be quiet. My husband is really into the show. How many coconut milk I have over here? Did you take my coconut, honey? I know I have it here.
I yelled for the suspect to show his hands. He turned this.
Haven't put a dent in Babs' skull, probably.
Fired one shot. He fell.
What?
Got knocked out on the way down. Good work. Babs. You okay? She's still shaking up. At least now it's over.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. This one, the 5 fried sardines, hot and spicy. Yeah, yeah, that's the one I have. It's a small can, and the opener is good. You don't need a, there's an opener already. And this is cost me 99 cents, $1. I know I have one here.
Check the shelves out safe.
I did. I went over there. Down there. Look, oh, you bought it. You don't eat it.
I didn't buy this. The sour ones? I don't buy sour ones. You bought those.
The dual adjustability of the sleep number bed allows you each to choose the firmest and comfort you want, so every couple can get the best sleep ever. Does your bed do that?
I remember I have one here. What the heck?
You can fit in that box.
Oh, this one is not even open.
You know, Doc, if the big couple could run his DNA and match another text, what do you Sure. The moment I see Mark.
Oh my god, this gomito. Smile, tick, tick. Anyway, guys, shut you off, guys, because I wanna do something. I hope it's not going to, like, splash everywhere. So why you bring that out? There's still gas in there. Put that in that box, hon. I don't know. We probably just go now. I don't know if he's going back in here. Look, he doesn't even let me know. He's kind of mad at me for no reason. But it's always no reason.
That's ridiculous. There's always a good reason.
Seriously, hon. Did I do something bad to you today? Today.
The last time I did.
What happened to the brakes? You've been a long time that you don't use this car, so you don't know now. I like this car. It's higher than what your car is. His car, we're like kind of like dragging our butt to the ground. He's so low. Okay, we're here, guys. It's the frozen stuff here. Okay. So I'm just looking for a banana leaves. I don't know if... Tignan natin kung meron. It's supposedly be frozen, but I will ask them though. What is that? No, it's banana leaves. It's green. It's right here. I found it. This is cassava tuhan, but you grate it yourself. Koya, frozen cassava. Banana leaves right here. I'm gonna get 2 of this. Tommy is kind of avoiding me because I have camera on me. He get annoyed when I'm holding the camera everywhere. No. Tell me.
Go ahead, I'm filming you. Wait.
You ready? Ready, sit. Oh, shit. I can't.
Okay, you're filmed.
Guys, I can't even do it. That's really heavy to lift, guys, and he has a really bad arm. One, the right side, right hand. Oh, I can't even open the door.
Why? Just use a key.
I don't have a freaking key. He's laughing at me, guys, again. Shocking though, he said. So I have something to tell you also. Yung barabagul ko, nahuhulog na kasi wala siyang strap. So nahuhulog na siya. Nandito na sa waistline ko. Nahuhulog na siya kasi wala siyang strap. So yun ang hindi ko gusto sa mga walang strap na bra. Kasi pag hindi talaga siya for strapless, kinuha mo lang strap, mahulog at mahulog siya kasi hindi siya umi-stick sa skin. So, thanks for opening the door.
Yeah.
So, this is what I got. Banana leaves. And Tammy found this Hungry Jack. It's heavy and seems like a lot. And it's 2 for $5. Hungry Jack buttermilk pancakes. And yeah. I love pancakes. Everyone love pancakes. So, and I got also 4 of the Goya coconut milk. He get this. And he get this. He always buy this one and we end up throwing it out. So, this is what we got. Grapes, right? Oh my god, look at that sun. Oh my god. Habsy bug. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Oh my lordy. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Look at the camera. It's so nice looking. He's just parking his body in your shoe. In your neck. Oh, you're so cute, Bagoy. You're so cute. Oh. Hi, Bug. Hi, Bug. Hi, Bug. Hi, Bug. Hi, Bug. This is his life with the cats. Hi, you're gonna hurt your arm, hon, more. No, my God. You're armless.
Little cutie bug.
Put your arm right here. Put your head that you won't get tired. And this one right here to look jealous. Oh, this one too is the cutest too. This one right here. This one right here. Oh, I love you. And put him down, and I'm tired of it. Pancake, it's lunchtime. Okay, use the one that is open.
Sure.
Yes, hon, what the heck? They're all the same pancake, right?
I thought maybe you like this brand better.
Ay, gee, you think you buy it just for you? So, okay, I'm not gonna eat it then.
Buy it just for me. I just figured didn't even like get mad that I use this. All this.
Why I get mad? I never get mad to you.
Are you kidding?
I never get mad.
Are you kidding?
When it comes to food, I don't get mad. I'm not greedy, hon. When it comes to my baby, and he is my husband, and he loves me, and he's not cheating, I'm gonna leave you eat everything. Okay. No, nothing. I can just do it myself.
I'm mixing and making a bunch of freedom.
Ah, gee, you have to make bigger, hon. I don't like when you usually make a little thing.
Yeah.
No.
They're nicer that way.
Okay, don't finish that one. Then use the other one.
I smack you with a botch in the head.
Honey, look. Guys, did you hear that? He smacked me all the time.
Yeah.
In the head.
Why don't you tell him who really does all the hitting around here?
Hubs. Because you said you're making a bunch. And then I noticed you always make it small every time. And I don't like it. I want my pancake big. And so don't touch mine.
Fine.
Anu ni, anu.
Mix 2.5 cups of water.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Get your dinner.
Ah, get away from my cakes. What? They're not ready yet. Leave my pancake alone. Go away. You see the bubbles still popping? They're not ready to turn until the bubbles.
I know how it looks, son.
You're doing it wrong.
I've been making pancakes since in my life to sell it.
You've never even heard of pancakes in the Philippines.
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
We sell it. We make it snacks.
Snacks.
3 o'clock in the afternoon, people are making it to the sidewalk,
Fish pancakes.
and
They're
then
different.
we rub
Rub fish
margarine. The margarine is a sweetened margarine. What are you saying?
Fish pancake.
Fish pancake. A sweetened margarine with, and then sprinkle it with a white sugar.
See, that's the way pancakes supposed to look, like that.
No, they're too tiny.
Right. I'm gonna make the next pancake is gonna be for you.
How big it is?
It'll be your pancake. You need 2 things to flip it.
Huh?
And I need 2 spatulas to flip it.
So, hon, I can't even get my freaking thing here. I'm trying to get my cassava cake, guys. So, defrost it. Huh? Oh, thank you. You're so gentle dog. Gentle dog, a gentle dog. We're heading out. We're heading out. Get some scotch for my scotch. This is the thing about husband, guys. My tummy. This is always the thing about him. When I'm pissed, he doesn't do it often, but I like when he just like to make me laugh. I like when he touch me. Touch me? I like when he touch me. I like when he touch me. Not in my freaking thing. It's my knee, guys. I'm tickleless. I'm a tickless person in my knee, on my neck, and in the knee. Every time he drive, not all the time. He do it, not all the time, but I like when he does it to me, guys. It makes me love him more and more every minute. Honey, slow down, hon. What the heck are you doing?
Get into the thing.
That's not how you do it.
How do I do it?
Just drive carefully.
I am very carefully doing it.
Look. No, I think he is worse than a dog now. Him, guys. Him.
Yes, I'm talking about you guys.
Worse.
I'm doing it.
Worse than a dog. Guys, this is it, guys. Look. It's kind of mess because it's a really bad banana leaves. What do you think, Han? You eat it now? You try it?
The guava was good.
And I'm going to make the thing. I'm just gonna bake this, broil it. You're still my special man. Oh, shit.
I'm fine now. I climb on your back because I like daddy.
Put your nails back to.
He said, no, I have to make sure I don't slip.
Dang, dalang, dalang, dadang, dang, dalang, dalang, dadang, dang, dang, ding, ding, dalang, dadang, ding, 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 jump, jump, bang. Thank you. He said, you are moving too much, Mama. I seasoned already the asparagus. The same thing what I found in YouTube. They drizzled it with oil, just very light, like you have to like line up like this, 2 lined. I put garlic, granulated garlic, and salt and pepper, and that's it. I mixed it all, and then 400 degree for like 12 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna make it longer because a lot of asparagus over here, so I'm gonna cook it until I can see the brown on it. So yun lang ang dinner namin kasi we don't have rice. I'm gonna cook rice, guys. Hold on. I'll be right back. Good evening. It is 9. 9:33 in the evening. Tomorrow morning, like 12, I think 12 or early in the morning, snow is gonna be really heavy. So I will see you tomorrow, and snow crazy cleaning and playing with the dogs tomorrow. The only problem is I don't have a coat. I forgot to bring my coat. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Good night guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, going to work.
They lost officity out going in late because, you know, the concern is always to stop a panic from happening.
And